collaboration with Nike, NorBlack and White have unveiled a colorful two-piece ensemble for summer 2025 that features the Motiva silhouette and the calm slide. As the partnership prepares for a wider rollout in June, it is already making its way to a few international stores. The Nike Motiva, redesigned with vivid blue highlights and deep navy. The shoe has a contemporary yet fun twist thanks to the scalloped eyestay, larger React cushioning, and wave-inspired midsole. The heel features a design of a mountain landscape that hints at NorBlack NorWhite's origins in travel and storytelling. The brand's philosophy of fusing current design language with traditional Indian visual identity is seen in this release. These shoes have the comfortable design that Nike's lifestyle collections are known for, and they provide a wearable yet distinctive look for the season. On June 11th, the NorBlack x Nike Calm Slide and Motiva will be available on Nike.com and a few other stores.